Oh, he's excited. He's very excited. Yes, good spot. So once you have, yes, your dog to the point where they are willingly getting on the spot, stay. Yes, remaining on the spot. Yes, very nice. And rotating. Yes, very nice, sir. Their rear end. Nice. Yes, both directions around the spot. Yes. Then we're ready for the next step. So up until this point, we have been facing the spot. So what we're going to do now, yes, is we're going to stand next to the spot. Okay, we're not right on top of it, and we're not super far away. We're maybe a couple inches from the spot, standing next to it. We're going to get our pup, yes, on the spot. And then we're going to lure. Yes, so that he's standing next to, yes, the legs. Very nice. Yes, very nice. So this is the heel position. We're marking and rewarding. Yes, when he's right next to the legs, parallel. We want him this direction with the legs. Yes. Yes. All right. Very nice, sir. Yes. Good job. Yes. We're going to go forwards. Yes, so I scooted a couple inches forward. Yes. And I scoot a couple inches backwards. Yes. Good, very nice, sir. Yes. Again, marking and rewarding. It's parallel. Yes. With your legs. So to have the appropriate heel position, if he had a collar, basically my leg would be even with his collar. So you also want to make sure that you're not too far up and you're not too far back. You want to be, again, here so that when they rotate, yes, they're getting used to being in this position next to your leg, which is the heel position, right? His collar, even with my left leg. His head is just slightly in front. Yes. And he's a little crooked, so we're going to lure. Yes, to get in the perfect position. And we're marking and rewarding. Again, when he's in that perfect position, yes, on your left leg. Go backwards. Yes. Forwards. Good, good, good. Yes. Beautiful. You don't necessarily want them touching your leg, but pretty close to touching your leg. It's too far out. It's too far this way. I want to scooch him around a little bit more. Yes. Very nice. And then we go backwards. Yes. All right. Nice. And we go forwards. Yes. Beautiful. Good job, sir. Yes, and we can do it on the right side also. So whatever side you're training your dog to heel on, I recommend you practicing most often. Yes. on that side. And the majority of the time, we teach heel on the left side. So it's nice for them to know, yes, all right. But again, the goal, and I'm stepping backwards around the spot to the other side, yes, and marking and rewarding when they're in the heel position on my left side, yes, awesome, and marking and rewarding, yes, for him remaining in that heel position, yes, that's my dude. Take a tiny step forward, see what he does. If he doesn't automatically move with you, lure, yes, yes, backwards, yes, he's a little crooked, so we're gonna lure, yes, there it is, that's my dude, yes, oh, that's so perfect, that's the perfect heel position, yes, good job, sir, yes, go forward, see what he does. If he moves that butt, we reward. If he doesn't, we lure. Yes. Yes. Nice. Good job. Yes. Soon we're going to start saying the word heel. Yes. But he's not quite ready for that yet. And he step forward, see what he does. Yes. And backwards. Yes. Woo, fancy pants. So he's a little further. He's too far this way. Lure. Yes. Yes. No, we're not leaping. Yes. Yes. So he keeps moving that butt out a little bit. Keep luring in the perfect position. Only mark when he's in that heel position. Yes, there it is. That's my dude. Yes. Good job. Yes. Good. Yes. Excellent. Yeah. Oh, we thought about it. Yes. Thought about moving without me luring, and that's the eventual goal, is to fade out the lure and have him just respond to the movement of my body. Yes. AKA finding that heel position. Good job, sir. One more on the other side. Yes. That's really good. Spot. Yes. Stay. It's just reward for him remaining on it. Yes. Good job. Good spot. Good stay. Good stand. Good job, sir. Yes. Beautiful. And then I'll spin around. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yes. That's my dude. Yes. 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 I love it. I love how his body is parallel with my left leg, and his head is kind of turning to look up at me. Right? Now he's trying to position himself so he can look more directly at me. I'm going to lure him back into that heel. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. He keeps moving out so he can look at me a little bit better, but we just got to keep moving back into the position. Yes. Mark and reward when he's in the heel. Where are you going? We good, sir. Yes. Beautiful. Backwards. Good. Yes. Yes. And we go forwards. Yes. Yes. Yes, that's what I want. Very nice. Backwards. Good. So he rotated around, but too far. Yes. And then forwards. Good, 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 good. Yes, that's my dude. Yes, good job. So good, so good. And we're done. You're just so impressive. Such a good man. It's so good. Hi, Jeannie. Hi, Jeannie. Good pieces. No pieces? Okay, good job.